Steady men, pull together now. Heave, pull, together now. Heave, pull. Heave, pull, heave, pull. Again, heave, pull.
Inside the pyramid, narrow limestone corridors channel weight and silence, revealing engineering precision. Here, stacked granite beams redistribute millions of tons, protecting inner chambers through calculators. This ascending corridor was cut with mathematical intent, guiding movement, controlling load paths, and proving precision.
The Grand Gallery amplifies scale and control, using Corbel geometry to manage weight, elevation.
This chamber was engineered for permanence, using granite mass and perfect geometry to run. With these granite blocks locked into place, the pyramid's internal systems were sealed.
Is the angle true?
Yes, Master. It is precise.
Hammer that stake firm.
Before vertical construction began, the foundation was leveled with extreme accuracy, ensuring every future layer would remain stable and aligned. These hidden channels guided alignment during construction, allowing builders to correct drift and maintain geometric accuracy deep inside the structure.
Pull together now.
Inspection was continuous, with master builders enforcing strict tolerances to ensure millions of stones behaved as one unified structure. Inspection was continuous, with master builders enforcing strict tolerances to ensure millions of stones behaved as one unified structure.
With vertical stacking underway, the pyramid transformed from foundation to rising system, each layer repeating precision.
Ramps converted horizontal force into vertical progress, allowing heavy blocks to rise steadily through friction control.
At the transfer point, careful handoff prevented fractures, ensuring each block seated perfectly before weight compounded through the growing structure. Corner alignment locked the pyramid's geometry, ensuring symmetry across all faces and preventing cumulative error as construction climbed higher. Each added layer increased pressure below, demanding precise load management so internal chambers survived immense compression without structural failure.
Builders monitored stress constantly, adjusting stone placement and bedding layers to distribute forces evenly as the...
When deviation appeared, builders corrected immediately, preventing minor errors from compounding into structural weaknesses across higher courses.
Workforce synchronization transformed thousands of individuals into one system where timing, communication, and discipline.
Maintaining uninterrupted material flow prevented bottlenecks, ensuring ramps, setters, and inspectors stayed supplied as construction advanced without costly delays.
Precise elevation control ensured each course rose evenly, preventing tilt and preserving the pyramid's intended proportions throughout vertical expansion.
At higher elevations, wind and exposure demanded slower movement and tighter control.
As the apex neared, tolerances tightened further, demanding fluorination and precision to... As the apex neared, tolerances tightened further, demanding fluorination and precision to... Before the last stones rose, every surface was prepared precisely, ensuring the final courses would lock the pyramid's form permanently. With the capstone set, geometry closed, loads balanced, and the pyramid transitioned from construction.
Once alignment tools were removed, the pyramid's geometry stood independently, proving accuracy through polished casing stones transformed the stepped core into a smooth monument, protecting inner blocks while amplifying precision through flawless outer geometry.
Heave! Pull together now.
Steady, steady. Lower it slowly.
Final inspections verified surface continuity, ensuring reflections stayed true, edges aligned perfectly, and
with construction supports removed, the pyramid stood fully revealed, separated from the tools and labor that had brought it into existence.
Standing alone, the pyramid confirmed completion, its scale and precision speaking louder than labor, tools or the passage of time.
With construction complete, ritual transformed the pyramid into a functional symbol, active. Granite seals secured inner chambers permanently, converting accessible spaces into protected cores. When builders withdrew, they took methods and measurements with them, leaving behind only stone, alignment.
Ritual cleansing marked the monument's transition from engineered object to sacred presence. With guardians assigned, access became controlled, preserving the pyramid's sanctity while ensuring its form and purpose remained undisturbed. Daily offerings reaffirmed cosmic alignment, linking the monument to solar cycles while maintaining ritual precision across generations.
As days passed into years, the pyramid absorbed time itself, remaining fixed.
Human presence proved temporary, as movement faded quickly while the pyramid's form continued asserting permanence across generations and civilizations.
In silence, the pyramid proved success, standing complete without motion, explanation, or maintenance.
Behind the solid exterior, a complex internal network remained perfectly balanced, engineered to manage weight.
These narrow shafts were engineered with precision, serving ventilation, symbolic alignment, or both.
Load relief chambers redistributed immense pressure, preventing collapse by channeling weight outward through.
Some spaces were engineered without human access, proving builders prioritized structural logic and balance over usability or visibility. Once sealed, internal geometry carried all forces silently, relying on precision fit rather than reinforcement, adjustment, or future maintenance.
Viewed as a whole, the pyramid functioned as a single engineered system, where every stone contributed.
Over centuries, erosion touched the surface, but internal geometry remained intact, confirming design choices accounted for time as a force.
After stress dissipated, the pyramid returned to perfect stillness, confirming its design-absorbed force without lasting.
Techniques survived through apprenticeship and repetition, embedding knowledge in hands and habits rather than records, drawings, or permanent inscriptions. Standardization emerged through shared methods and constant verification, allowing uniform results across millions of stones without written blueprints. Mistakes were corrected immediately on site, transforming errors into lessons absorbed through practice rather than preserved as written instruction. Through repetition, precision became instinctive, allowing builders to execute complex tasks.
Knowledge persisted through generations by observation and imitation, ensuring techniques survived unchanged even as individual builders were replaced.
The pyramid records no individual authorship, revealing a system where collective skill mattered more than recognition or personal legacy.
Precision evolved into culture, where exactness was expected instinctively, guiding every action without supervision. Documents.
When builders vanished, their methods remained encoded within stone, preserving knowledge through geometry.
As the sky moved endlessly above, the pyramid remained unchanged, defining human.
Night revealed cosmic alignment, as the pyramid's geometry mirrored celestial patterns, linking earthly construction to the ordered movement of stars.
The pyramid measured time itself, fixed while the universe moved endlessly. At close range, perfection reveals itself through silence, alignment, and stone.